Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Kia Soul EV at home. We'll cover the two main charging levels, the equipment you'll need, and how to optimize your setup for convenience. You'll also learn about potential cost savings and important installation tips to ensure a smooth and efficient charging experience. Let's get started. Level 1 charging is the simplest way to power up your Kia Soul EV, using a standard 120-volt household outlet. It's convenient because it requires no special installation, just the charging cable that comes with your car. While it's the slowest option, adding about 2 to 5 miles of range per hour, it's perfect for overnight charging or maintaining your battery's charge with minimal effort. Level 2 charging offers a significant speed upgrade for your Kia Soul EV. It utilizes a 240-volt outlet, similar to what a clothes dryer uses, and can add 20 to 25 miles of range per hour. You'll need an EVS unit, and professional installation by a qualified electrician is highly recommended for safety and efficiency. This is a great option for daily charging. To get the most out of your home charging, consider installing a dedicated 240-volt circuit for Level 2. Many utility providers offer lower electricity rates during off-peak hours, so setting your Kia Soul EV's charging schedule can save you money. Always ensure your home's electrical panel can safely handle the increased demand, and consult an electrician for any upgrades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.